Poverty, the state or condition of having little or no money, goods, or means of support. In the U.S., 45.3 million people are in poverty. Of that 45.3 million, 26.4 million of these people are between the ages of 18 and 64. What is the poverty line anyway? According to the 2014 federal poverty level determined by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, it is a family of 4, 2 adults and 2 children under the age of 18 that earns less than $23,850. This is 14.5% of U.S. citizens. Of this 14.5%, 27.2% of that are Black, 23.5% Hispanic, 10.5% Asian, and 9.6% white. Poverty is not only a problem in America, it is a problem all around the world. There are over 805 million people who do not have enough to eat. That is 1 in every 9 people in the world. In rural areas, 3 out of every 4 people live on less than $1.25 a day. Each day, 22,000 children die due to poverty conditions. What are the 2 sides to poverty? Pew Research Center has released a massive study detailing the American public's deep-seated political divisions, analyzing not just the ideological disunity between the left and the right wings, but also the issue dividing the large political center. Among the survey's most striking findings is about 80% of conservatives agree that poor people have it easy because they can get government benefits without doing anything. Meanwhile, over half of conservatives believe that an individual's poverty is based on lack of effort on his or her part, rather than circumstances beyond their control.
I thank all of you, the distinguished panel, for your very extraordinary remarks and inspiring remarks. More importantly, I thank you for bringing poverty front and center, because I've often said that many elected officials have difficulty even framing the word poverty. We go top, middle class. We don't talk about poverty. In that regard, I offer a couple quick thoughts. A wonderful, brilliant woman told me many years ago, Ron, never forget this, jobs are not created in a vacuum, that jobs are the byproduct of a community's commitment to solve a problem.
President and CEO of Community Emergency Assistance Programs, most commonly known as CEAP, located in Brooklyn Center, Minnesota. Our agency is a social service agency that supports people in poverty. Poverty is a very, very large discussion and a big question, but we believe strongly that people are in poverty due to circumstance, whether that's generational poverty, something that's part of their family for generations, and or circumstance, unemployment, underemployment, lack of education, or crisis, healthcare issues, family issues, domestic violence, the list goes on. We believe that poverty will always be among us, but we as a society are here to support those folks who are in need and who are in crisis, whether it's long-term or short-term. And we believe that through the community work of the total community, that we can continue to bring people out of poverty and into a sustainable future through opportunities in education, employment, meeting their basic needs, supporting their families, and in many cases just creating community someplace that they can belong. So often poverty is not a symptom of lack of need or of a basic food, drink, housing, but a lack of community. So the thing that binds us together is the relationships in the community. The people can help make you stronger, the people that can bring resources into your life. And that's what we believe is the basic need that folks have, and then we work from there in providing resources. So together, we can build sustainable futures for everyone.
How can we help? There are so many ways we can help, whether it's donating money to programs like CEAP, running a food drive at our local grocery store, donating items, or volunteering There are countless ways you can help. So what are you going to do about poverty?